everyone, a warm welcome to my channel Learning with Dr. Shabnam Gurung. I am presenting a video series on career opportunities in commerce and job opportunities after pursuing certain courses. The link of first video of this series is shared in the description box, which are entitled Job Opportunities After Doing MBA, CA, CS, CMA, CFA and BAT. Kindly watch that video for detailed information. Today I am here with second video of this series, which is on career opportunities after doing MCOM and opportunities for commerce student in the teaching faculty. So let's start the video. Next option is Master of Commerce, that is MCOM, and MCOM is the degree which you complete in 2 years and can be attained through any government recognized university or colleges in India. So there are number of specialization in MCOM also. You can go for MCOM honors, you can go for MCOM cost and works accounting, MCOM business administration, MCOM in banking and finance, MCOM in auditing and taxation, MCOM in accountancy, MCOM in cooperation. So there are again various specializations available in MCOM. Now what the MCOM holder can be, or what are the job profile that MCOM holder can have in their future. So the first one is accountant, next is senior executives, account manager, personal finance consultant, business consultant, teacher or lecturer. This we will talk in later in upcoming slides. I am talking about now opportunities in teaching field. So the first one is B.Ed, that is Bachelor of Education. So after completing BCom, perhaps one of the most straightforward career path is the Bachelor of Education. B.Ed is a 2 years long postgraduate teaching program that is explicitly designed to allow students to build their career in academics. If you score around 50 to 55% in graduation from recognized university in India, you are eligible this course and you can have your career in teaching field. Next, again opportunities teaching field, but now I am talking about opportunities in higher education. If you want to become assistant professor, associate professor or professor, so what are the criteria I am talking about now? So it's need a BCom. You can't become assistant professor or eligible for teaching in higher education unless and until if you have completed your MCOM. So after completing your MCOM, you can proceed forward to become assistant professor in any UGC approved colleges or university. The minimum eligibility criteria is you must clear your SET exam or NET exam. Minimum 50% of marks in post graduation for the recruitment of teacher is required, or you can if you're holding a PhD programs in any university or colleges, because in number of cases if you want to become associate professor or professor in certain university, so the minimum criteria is you must have a PhD degree. So it's not applicable in colleges, but if you want to become associate in higher in universities, then the PhD degree is must. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope I could serve your purpose of watching my video, and I'm sure it will add on your knowledge. Be with our channel for third video of this series. Those who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe it, as it motivates me to work hard and present such valuable videos. And those who already subscribed, a heartiest thanks for supporting me.